Hello friends, it's Reza. You're on channel Reza Blade and we're doing our 30 in 30 take 2. This is probably the 11th day of our 30 days of reviews. And I have received half of the other big pile of UR sugar plates that I have been waiting for in the mail. So we have some more UR sugar plates to look at, and they are coming out. They're basically on fire. They're coming out with some super plates, including the uber trendy camo look right now. So since I don't have the Dixie plate, I do have the UR sugar plate. I went ahead and put together a camo look for you under deepest protest. I cannot stand camouflage, but I knew that you guys would want to see it. So yeah, I've done a camo look, and I've done the kind of look that I am hugely fond of, this kind of boho chic minimalist kind of look. So let us take a look at this haul. I've got a couple of polish colors because I got those yesterday too. I didn't include the other mystery one, but when my first mystery polish is this not the coolest name ever? Pianos Filled with Flames. That is the name of this polish. That is fan-freaking-tastic. I love this polish name. And it's a gorgeous polish too. So I wanted to show you that one. And the reason I brought Gilded Olive, a foil, and therefore my favorite finish, out is because that is what I'm wearing on my right hand. So I wanted to tell you guys what it was and where to get it if you like it. So here's our big haul of UR sugar plates. Let's take them out of their packages again. And you've got 3 round, you've got 3 square. Get out. And we've got 2 rectangular plates. There's the camo one. You guys will be pretty excited to see. Alrighty. So let us see. Here are our plates. We have, which is first, LO13 or LO14? LO13. Here are those flowers. Oh, that is pretty cool. So is that one. All right. And the camo plate has a lot of variety. And I'll tell you guys how I built this camo look. I'll give you a hint. It has to do with these guys and this guy. Alright, I want to bring this out here because I'm going to start talking about it in a minute. Alright, we've got URM13. More florals. Shattered glass, wood grain, and all that jazz. M12. You've got some, I don't know if you're familiar with Moyu Princess plates, but these are like small images for kids' nails, or that you can row up for French nail kind of, French manicure kind of designs. So there's those. And then our 3 round plates. We've got those images that I am a huge fan of, those pendant images. I don't know what the purpose of this is here. I don't think it belongs on that plate, but that's just me. Then again, I'm never going to complain about something extra on a plate. That's silly. A bunch of kids drawing style images. And last but not least, never least, because it's Father's Day, we've got an I Love Dad. We've they're not stereotyping dads here or anything. He's got a beer, got a necktie, got a male symbol, got all sorts of things here. Got a fist bump. All right, got a kid on his shoulders. That's pretty cool. It's fun. All right. These are really nice. I like these images of dad helping the kid grow up. All right. So here are my manis. Here's our camouflage mani. Got random camouflage images there. And here is our, I don't know what all that is called, but all that manicure that I like so much. All right, let's look at some swatches, guys. I hope your day is going well. It is bright and early in the morning today over here in St. Louis, Missouri. Bunch of camouflage. And the way that I did this is, okay, I used this one as the base, but first I did a base color, and then I did, on the 5 different nails, I used Scotch tape, or it would be easier to use the silicone tool because we're talking about really directed removal of images here. So use something small to take a few of the little lumps or blobs off of there. And so I did, I took about half of the volume off of the camo. So then I put that on, and then I used these images down here to randomly apply, and you can use 2 or 3 of these at once. That's why I'm so excited about the placement of these guys. So like, for example, if I had black, then I could do these 3 all at once, and I could put the polish there, scrape, pick all those 3 up, get rid of anything else with Scotch tape or a silicone tool, and then put that over the other images. And since camouflage overlaps each other, it works out perfectly. So I really love this idea here of all that separated. Now these outline, I haven't really seen like outline only camouflage, so I went ahead and got rid of those with Scotch tape or a silicone tool. Again, you can use a silicone tool for that purpose. Here are some more swatches. All those tiny little images. I always have loved shattered glass tiles. They're pretty cool. I haven't used them in a manicure yet, but it's only a matter of time. Here's the doodles. Here is the Father's Day plate, swatched out. Now you could use this beer image on, all sorts of times per year. I really like this beer image. I was just cracking wise at the inclusion of such a stereotypical image in the Father's Day thing. I'm just giving them a hard time. But I really love this beer image. I do. I really, truly do. And then we have a bunch of beautiful things over here on S12. And those are our swatches for the day. I hope you like my manicures. I, again, am not a fan of the camo one, but I do like how I did it. And I think you guys might find it useful to know how I did it. So, have a fabulous day, and I will see you tomorrow for the 12th review. And depending on what I get today in the mail, we don't know what it will be. Or if I don't get anything today in the mail, it'll be Moira. I've already had a request for a couple of specific plates, and I've done those manicures. So let's see what today brings. Subscribe, please. Every subscriber really does count. And if you subscribe and you hit that notification bell, you get to know about all my videos that I put out. And I do put a lot of videos out, and they are fun and neat, and you will love them. I command it. Anyway, and if you have anything, questions, comments, questions, comments. That's probably about it. You can say random things, but it'll still count as a comment. Then go ahead and say so below, and where I got the plates will be in the description box. That should cover everything. If it didn't, that's what questions are for. I will see you guys later. This is Reza signing off. Bye-bye.